Guangzhou Xingdian Lighting Technology Company Limited is a professional stage lighting factory, which was established in 2013 and engaged in R&D, production, sales and after-sales service for 12 years. Marslite is our company's brand and trademark. Our company is located in Huashan Town, Huadu District, Guangzhou, where is close to Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport, so the transportation is quite convenient. It covers an area of 6,000 square meters, have 8 production line close to 70 workers, including 25 staff in R&D, sales, quality, engineering, warehouse, and the staff number is still increasing. The main production lines include LED matrix light, LED effect light, LED par light, beam moving headlight, waterproof gobo projector, waterproof laser light, GaNs floor, etc. Marslite product can meet CE RoHS standard and have our own RoHS testing machine in factory. We have many years of OEM and ODM experience with famous worldwide customers. Marslite has grown to be one of larger-scale enterprises in global professional stage lighting field and enjoys a high reputation. Our products are sold to more than 70 countries. Marslite will use the trusted products to open up a broader market. We will soon carry out a comprehensive ISO 9001 quality management system requirements. What we will do is to meet your requirements. All Marslite people will work strenuously to provide you with professional products and services. Our business win-win. Welcome to visit our company.